In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect mic to JBL PartyBox 310. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The JBL PartyBox 310 model has dedicated microphone inputs, so using a microphone is extremely simple. I'm gonna go over two main ways in which you will be able to do this. So to connect, like I said, you have two primary options. For the first one, you can use a wired microphone, so check for the microphone input. Locate the microphone input jack on your PartyBox 310. So once you find the location for this input, you will be able to plug the microphone's jack into the microphone input jack on the PartyBox 310 itself. Once this is done, you are basically good to go. Now use the microphone volume control on the PartyBox itself to adjust the microphone input level, and it should be working right away. Alternatively, you can use a wireless microphone, so purchase a compatible wireless microphone set and ensure that it is properly suited for the PartyBox 310. Many wireless microphone sets come with a receiver that can be connected to the PartyBox auxiliary port or the microphone input port. Now connect the receiver if needed using the appropriate cable, and now just pair the microphone. Depending on the specific model that you bought, the instructions will be different, but for the most part, you just have to press a specific button on the microphone and it is going to detect the receiver. And now once again, you can use the volume controls on the microphone and the PartyBox 310 to adjust the sound levels. And once this is done, you will be able to use your microphone in conjunction with the PartyBox 310. So you will have two dedicated microphone inputs on the PartyBox 310 or any other similar model, and all that you have to do is use a wired connection to a microphone or connect it wirelessly with a receiver. A higher quality microphone will produce better sound quality and most will be compatible, so experiment with different microphone placements to find the best sound. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect mic to JBL PartyBox 310. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.